In today's video, I am going to teach you how to punch lunchtime manually Zoho people. This process is useful when you forgot to record your lunch break or when you need to correct a break time for the current day. Make sure you are signed in to Zoho people and that you are viewing your own attendance record before you begin. It also helps to know the exact start and end times you want to enter, since accuracy matters for payroll and time tracking. To get started, look at the left sidebar in Zoho people and click Attendance. This takes you to the area where your daily check-in, check-out, and break details are stored. Next, go to the top menu and select Views, then choose List View. List View makes it easier to see attendance entries in a clear, row-by-row format, especially if you need to edit the current day quickly. Give the page a moment to load so the correct day and times display properly. Now locate the entry for the current day. In that row, click the check-in and check-out time for today. This opens the detailed view for that day, where you can manage the time logs associated with your shift. Inside the day details, click plus Add Break. In some setups, you may see an option labeled Manual Log instead. Either option is used to add break time manually, so select the one available on your screen. You will now enter your break information. Fill in the break start time and the break end time. Take your time here and confirm that the times match your actual lunch break. Use the correct time format shown in the form, and double-check that you are entering the break for the correct day. If your system uses AM and PM, be sure those are correct as well. When everything looks right, click Submit. After submitting, review the attendance details to confirm the break appears and the times are accurate. That covers everything you need to know.